So a lot of people assume that places like heaven or hell are just made up concepts. But have you spoken to hospice nurses? Like, have you spoken to a lot of them, or have you seen interviews of hospice nurses talking about death aromas and then also the different type of aroma that comes when they watch a patient transition and their reactions? So we've spoken of the death aroma on this page. Essentially, you are watching someone transition, whether it is a patient and you're a hospice nurse, or it's a loved one and you're watching them pass. There's a certain aroma that smells sweet, that smells floral, that even has emotions attached to it, like love, joy, relief, when someone is transitioning and they actually smile. It's known as a death aroma. And normally that is associated with them transitioning into the happier place. But there is another smell that is not talked about enough. That is the smell of sulfur, rotten eggs, or just a foul odor that comes out of nowhere when you see someone transitioning. And all of a sudden the smile that they had turns into fear, turns into horror. Those smells are actually attached to demons. And people with the gift of clairsalience have the ability to smell that normally in their day-to-day life. But hospice nurses are different because they smell that in patients. And especially because so many people who go into those fields are natural healers tapped into their gifts. They're a little bit psychic, so they're able to sense that on their patients that are transitioning. And the more that people investigate NDEs, meaning you watch the interviews, you talk to the actual people who have transitioned and come back, not all of them go to a happy place. Not all of them meet someone that they call God. They actually have said that they've gone somewhere that was so cruel that once they came back out, they've been traumatized for the rest of their life, and they've actually completely changed their action. So the question remains, what actually is next? If people have come back from the other side and a lot of their stories match up, what do we really know about what happens next in the process?